Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're taking a closer look at the Silverstone CS351 mATX case. I want to start by apologizing for my imperfect English. I'm working on creating more English videos and your feedback is incredibly valuable to me. But without further ado, let's dive straight into the content. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. As I already mentioned, I apologize for my bad English skills. So today we're taking a closer look at the Silverstone CS351 NAS case. This is a really compact and yet powerful storage solution for all NAS or home server users. In this video I will be covering all the important aspects of this case, from its features to its design and performance, and let's go! Let's begin with the specifications. The CS351 is a NAS case with SAS 12G and SATA 6G hot swapping capability. It features 5 drive bays with dual color LED indicators to display the drive status. Both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives are compatible, and it even includes theft protect drive bays for enhanced security. It supports up to 8 2.5 inches drives and 7 3.5-inch drives. The case is compatible with micro ATX, ITX and DTX motherboards, supports expansion cards up to a length of 368mm and features various I/O ports on the front, including USB Type-C and USB 3.0. There are also ample room for CPU cooling and more. But be careful, because the maximum height is limited to 82mm. However, if you use an SFX power supply instead of a standard ATX power supply, you could gain an additional 1 to 3 cm of space here. The CS351 boasts a minimalist design that seamlessly blends into any environment. One of the main features are the hot swappable drive bays, which are really well constructed. The case feels sturdy and there is no hint or rattling or instability. While the front panel is made of plastic, it doesn't detract from the overall appearance of this case. I believe that due to this design, the case easily fits into any office or home office environment. Functionality and cooling aspects. The case supports multiple fans, offers ample space for both 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches drives as I already mentioned, and there's space for larger graphics cards as well. Despite its compact dimensions, the case has been well optimized for intent used. The hot swap feature for the drive base makes the drive's installation pretty straightforward. And if you use Unreal like me, and one of your hard drives fails, just put your caddy out, put new HDD in, swap it into your case and you're good to go. By default, a fan is included in the delivery. However, you can install a total of 3 40mm fans and 2 additional 80mm fans on the top. I have utilized the case as a foundation for a powerful server and NAS setup. It offers ample space for storing my photos and video files. Additionally, I run several virtual machines to test different Linux systems under Unraid. The compact form factor of this case appealed to me as my previous case was too bulky. For this setup, I'm using an ASRock B460M Steel Legend motherboard paired with an Intel i5 10400F processor. For graphics, I'm using an NVIDIA GT720 graphics card. For fast network traffic, a dual network 10GB Ethernet network card from Intel. For the cache, I'm using a 1TB Samsung NVMe SSD and an array of hard drives ranging from 4 to 10 TB. Who is this case for and what's the price? The CS351 caters to a wide range of users, from home server enthusiasts and NAS users, to photographers, videographers, programmers and small business owners. If you are dealing with limited space and seeking a compact jet robust storage solution, this might be your choice. And as for the price? With the price of around 199 euros, this case falls into a higher price bracket. But don't forget, this product is a niche product. And for these features, such pricing is not uncommon for a niche product. And before we conclude, let's go over the pros and cons of the Silverstone CS351. On the positive side, its compact size is a standout feature, and the aspect that you can put a lot of drives into this case. The cooling system is effective and small, and the presence of USB Type-C is a practical addition. Moreover, the hot swap feature is really great, and the security function is great too. Additionally, this case gives me really professional vibes, and this minimalistic style fits in every room or office. On the flip side, the absence of a dust filter or mesh is a drawback, especially considering the price point. In my opinion, there are no significant points of criticism, except for the price. The case gives a high quality impression, includes all necessary features in its size class, and it's really compact. There's only one thing that bothered me. The included fan is directly connected to the large caddy for the hard drives, and as soon as the computer starts, the fan runs at full speed, which is naturally loud. However, I connected the fan directly to the motherboard and was okay then. In conclusion, the Silverstone CS351 NAS case offers a minimalist design, solid craftsmanship and thoughtful features. Whether you are a home server enthusiast or a content creator in need of versatile storage solution, this case could be a good and viable option. A helpful tip: when planning and selecting a suitable power supply unit, I recommend choosing one that is relatively short in length. This way you can avoid potential problems when connecting the plugs to the caddy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel to stay updated with more content. Thank you very much for tuning in and see you next time.